Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this upper rail cover on a Honda Odyssey. Start out by using a T40 Torx bit and remove these two bolts in the back. And next, open up the sliding door to the fully open position, and in behind here is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. And then you want to close the sliding door into the fully closed position and come around to the back side of this rail cover and pull directly back towards the back of the car. And it comes right off. And when you go to put it back on or replace it, you're going to want to make sure to take these out, and these can be taken out by just turning them till they're diagonal and then just pulling directly out on them. And then it can be slid back into the cover if you're using the existing cover. But that's it, guys. Cover's off. Thanks for watching.